Trades business owners, stop pricing by slapping a generic markup or margin percentage on your jobs and then turning around and judging the success of the job by the profit percentage. Let me explain. Say you've got a job and you price it for a gross profit margin of 50%. Let's say it's your servicing, your maintenance, that kind of work. Now, would you say that's a good job to do? Well, it depends, and that is the point I want to make. Let's do an example. If that job was, say, 8K, the makeup of that job is super important. If on one hand it was 90% materials and 10% labor, getting 50% plus is actually really good going. However, if it was the other way around and you had, say, 90% of labor and 10% of materials, you actually need to be charging much more. Now, how can that be? It's the same price after all. Well, it comes down to an important concept called the profit per hour. And what that is how much is your tradesman making you in profit per hour? So let's circle back to the job. If you're paying your tradesman, say, $40 per hour, and you're charging them out at 100, that tradesman is making you a gross profit margin of 60%. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's the thing. If they sold no materials, that tradesman is only making you a profit per hour of $60. Now, what happens if they were selling materials? Say the job actually had 2K worth of materials this time, and it still only took an hour of your tradesman's time. You could actually price that job for a 30% gross profit margin, not the 50%, and make $860 in profit. That is a whole extra $800 more in profit for the same hour of your tradesman's time. It's the same time, it's a wildly different outcome. So here's the thing, although it's helpful to be looking at your gross profit margin or markup as a percentage, you also need to be looking at your profit in dollars. And look, once you start doing this, you can actually adjust the type of work you do. You can change your tax of marketing to bring in the work that's more profitable. And you can also train your team in a different way to do that kind of work that they're making more per hour. So look, guys, I've made this easy. I've got a profit per hour calculator you can actually have for free. What you do, you plug your numbers in from your job and it'll spit out the profit that you're making. If you want a copy, just comment below on this video, comment profit, and I'll make sure it gets straight to you. So start looking at your profit, start increasing your profits, and enjoy business.